Hello, everyone. I am Dr. Bhavna Bharadwaj, and welcome to Divine Miracles. Today, I've come here to share a very beautiful knowledge, a very beautiful understanding, a very beautiful wisdom which was given to me during my self healing session. So, I thought that let me share this knowledge, this wisdom with you all. Maybe with this, you can heal yourself, maybe you can understand something deeper in your own self, and maybe you can use it to change your life. So what was happening that, yeah, as I am a human being, so even I have emotions, I have feelings, and I also have emotions like anger or resentment or regret, guilt, hatred, so but the best part, the best blessing is that even I'm a healing channel, and I understand that, okay, if these feelings and these emotions are, then how to release them, how to heal them, how to free myself from all these things. So yeah, I was going through certain difficult emotions in the past few days back, and I thought, okay, sit down, let's sit, Bhavna, let's heal that. And when I was doing healing, I released all the negative emotions and replaced with all the negative emotions with the positive ones. And once I released and I replaced with the positive ones, I was feeling very happy. I was feeling joyful and peaceful inside. And I was about to close my session. I thought that I'm done with that. But then I was like interrupted, or I was told to wait, as I thought I have a feeling that my soul wanted to communicate with me, and maybe, or a divine wanted to communicate. So the channel was open, and I was into that energy of communication, and a very beautiful message was given to me in that moment. I was told that when our soul plans to come on this earth and takes a life, human life or any life, so it's just not like that. One fine day, my soul thought that, okay, let's go on the earth and start living. No, it didn't happen like that. A lot of planning was done before I was sent on the earth, before I took this birth. A lot of planning is done, that where you're going to take birth, your parents, your siblings, how your childhood is going to be, then your spouse, your children, maybe your career, your health, your money, your relatives, your friends. Everything is planned. And a lot of planning goes into that. Because the purpose of coming onto earth is either to experience this beautiful earth, or to balance your past karmas, or to learn the virtues. Because over there the time concept is not there, so maybe the learning process is very slow. But once we are in the body, so the learning becomes very fast for our soul. So we are maybe here to learn certain virtues. It can be virtues like forgiveness, gratitude, love, compassion, honesty, acceptance. So all these kind of virtues are there. So I feel that what virtues I am learning in this time is maybe like taking stand for myself, speaking my truth, honoring myself, acknowledging my self-worth, my self-esteem, self-confidence. So it is all related to self-love. So all these things, because I could identify that whatever was happened with me, like in the past, so certain energy, certain vibrations were pulling me down. And once I acknowledged that what I'm learning out of this, so all these lessons started like happening to me. Like I suddenly started taking, like, I learned that how to take stand for myself. I learned that how to communicate. I learned that how to speak my truth without feeling, without feeling bad, or without feeling weak, or without feeling nervous and all that. So, yes, I am learning all this. And maybe then I understood that when my soul decided that, okay, Bhavna, go on earth and live this life, and then maybe you are going to learn all these things, or maybe you're going to balance the past karmas. So a lot of planning was done, and in that planning I am not alone. In that planning other souls are also involved, because over there is unconditional love, and all the souls are connected to one energy. There is no difference. There is no me or you over there. It is oneness. So, like, if my soul wants to learn something, my soul will ask the other soul, and unconditionally, the other soul will agree that, okay, you go on earth and I'm going to help you with this, so I'm going to support you with this. Maybe consciously over here, we feel that, oh my God, this person is doing wrong to me. But at that level, at soul level, maybe that person has agreed, has committed to us to help us to learn that lesson or to balance that karma. So this understanding was given to me that once you start cribbing, once you start feeling bad, once you start saying that, oh my God, I'm not that lucky one, oh my God, God is punishing me, God never loves me, or what is happening to me, all the people are so happy, only I'm the one who is not happy on this earth. Why I'm giving this life, my life is hell. So if you are into that energy, what you are doing is, unknowingly you are hurting your soul, unknowingly you are disrespecting your soul, unknowingly you are rejecting all the plans of your soul, that your soul has gone through so much. And then what is happening, if you're rejecting that, then maybe you're putting your soul in that position where your soul starts feeling bad, that your soul has done to you. So then whatever you have done in all these years, it's going to waste, it's going to be zero. So what's the point in cribbing? So accept that yes, if something bad has happened to me in certain relationship or in life or any area or any area aspect of life, that means that certain learning is going inside, or that means certain karmas are getting balanced in that situation. So just have gratitude, just have forgiveness for your soul, for that situation, or for the other soul, and have compassion. And then you will see that it will change, it will move. This energy of stagnation will shift, healing will take place, and you will see that, wow, your soul is becoming powerful. And once your soul starts having the power, it will give you power. And once you have the power, you will start changing your life. So just be connected to your soul and just say that, okay, I am with you, let's move on. Once you start supporting your own soul, your own soul's purpose, you will see it will become very smooth and very easy to shift things, to heal yourself, to heal the situation, to change your life. So if you think that yes, this beautiful message is important for you, or you resonates with this message, or you feel that something, some wisdom, some understanding is useful for you, then use it for your self healing, use it to change your life. But first I'll say, just be connected to your soul, just say that, darling, I'm with you, we are one, and we are into this planning, we will do this together, and then see how beautiful you will change. Right? So like, just use this knowledge, this wisdom, have a blessed life, and have a blessed day. Bye, take care.